Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the McLaren W1 and this is by Hotwheels, and this is a new casting for 2025 as you can see here. So a lot of people are going nuts over this casting, so I really want to see how this one looks. So it does look really good inside the packaging, but I want to take it out and see how this one looks. So I bought it for 179, which is the MRP. Okay, this comes under the race day tag here. Okay, fine. So if you guys see this is only one in the box. If you guys miss this one out, don't worry about it. The 2026 cases actually has this, so and in a different color that also looks really good. So don't worry about it. So this one is from the Q case. If you are just watching this video directly and you are new to my channel. Okay. Okay. So here is the card art. Let's get to the casting now. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box it looks absolutely beautiful and stunning. So it has the wiper detail here. Let's start with that. And you can see the interior here, but I don't know why they are going with this black tinted ones. It looks doesn't even look really that good for all the cars. They could have went with the just transparent one that would have showcased the interior really well, given this is a new casting for this year. Okay, so it has the I think the shark fin antenna here. Okay, so the spoiler they actually did it with this gloss black. There's a paint smear here and there, but looks okay. Okay, let me can see the hood detailing here. Okay, it does have detailing to it, but because of this tinted glasses, I mean the tinted acrylic, we can't able to see it really clearly. I mean, this is a beautiful casting. You can see the curves on this one. You can see even though with this particular lighting which I'm having here, you can see how the light shines on this one. That looks so beautiful on this. So the rims they could have done a bit better. I mean, they did this rims once on this Reventon, red color Reventon, right? Those rims were really cool. They could have went with that set of rims on this one instead of this one. I don't know what those rims are called, but those are really cool. Okay, so this body is metal, but it looks like plastic, but it is metal. It is a kind of a metallic gray, I would say, because it shines really well once the light hits. And the chassis is plastic, including this part here. Everything is plastic. So it doesn't have any headlight details here, which is a bummer because that would have looked really nice. So you can see the McLaren logo here. I mean, they messed up really well. So it is just lettering McLaren. I mean, when other brands can do it really well, why can't they? Okay, here are the tail light details. I mean, tail light, there are no tail light details here, but you can see, I think this is supposed to be the exhaust. You can see the grill details here, which is a bit embossed, very little, like you see in the Spider-Man suit, that action figures. So apart from that, there are no other detailing here. Okay, so let's weigh this casting now. 29 grams, it's okay, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, that does roll really good. I don't see any issue with rolling. It rolls really good. Okay, so mine has some scratches on the roof, you can see. So this is not going to be a common issue. This might be only for me, so don't worry about it. Okay, let's rate this casting. So I'm taking 0.5 for that headlight and tail light details. Nothing is there. No other details are there. So if it is a new casting, at least put some effort into it, make it more flashy, just like they did. You guys did for Ferrari. That would have been really nice if they do it for all the castings. So 9.5 out of 10. Rest everything looks really good. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.